In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member on Slack. Whether you're working on a small project or managing a large team, Slack is a powerful tool that helps you communicate effortlessly. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Slack on your desktop or mobile device. Once you've got Slack open, you'll see a list of your workspaces on the left-hand side and your recent conversations in the middle panel. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want to add a new member. Now direct your attention to the top of your screen. Here, you'll see your workspace name clearly displayed. Clicking on your workspace name will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing and customizing your space. This menu is the gateway to all sorts of administrative functions. Today, we'll focus on the essential task of adding a team member. With the drop-down menu open, look towards the bottom and find the option labeled Invite People. Selecting this option will bring you to a page dedicated to the task of extending access to new team members. You're almost there. Once you've clicked on Invite People, you'll notice you have two main options to bring a new colleague on board. The first is to enter the email address of the person you're inviting. This is a straightforward method. Simply type in their email address and Slack will send an invitation on your behalf. Be sure to double check the email address for any typos, as this will ensure that the invite reaches the intended recipient without any hitches. The second method involves generating an invite link. This option gives you the flexibility to share the invitation in a way that suits your needs. Maybe you want to send it via a messaging app or include it in a batch email with other onboarding materials. Just click to create the link and be sure to share it only with those whom you wish to have access to your workspace. Once the person accepts the invitation, they'll become part of your Slack workspace, ready to dive in and start collaborating. And that's it. Adding a team member to Slack can be accomplished quickly and efficiently, ensuring your team can continue to communicate and collaborate seamlessly. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide made it easy for you to add your new team member to Slack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs. See you next time.